Hello guys, welcome back to Shopkeeper. Uh, you seen that title? These all are plastic models of Avengers, one of the most important characters in Avengers. That is called an Iron Man. You see, almost people should know this character. So, if you want to give any gift to 5 to 15-year-old people, old children, this is the best gift item for that those guys. You've seen this very important character in cinematic universe. People, some children also think about this beautiful character. We've seen almost all the cinematic. Now, this time, previously we've seen Avengers and Infinity War. Now it's time for an Avengers Endgame. In this Endgame, we doesn't any prediction. We don't have any predictions about that movie. But who want to give gift item to those 5 to 15-year-old children? This is the best product to you guys, because already I told you Tony Stark is one of the best character and powerful character in that whole MCU. We all know about this. So we have a lot of different type of plastic models of Iron Man. I seen this in Amazon.com. I want to refer these products. If you want to buy this product, please use this link below links. Definitely get some discount on this amazing products. Almost five different variants of plastic models of Iron Man. You seen this here. This is one of the plastic model. We already seen this uh, in different angles. We can adjust this character, this plastic model in different angles. You seen here. Left hand was raised, and this is one of the plastic model of Iron Man, and another was this is it does you see, this is very reality. Re- I mean, it's looking like very uh, you see, that was really amazing, man. Almost see, wow, really nice. The design was very uh, I can give almost a 5-star rating to this toy, because we don't have any words about this amazing toy. Almost you see in this dragon model Iron Man 3 Mark XL2 battle damaged version. Maybe you've seen this character in Iron Man 3. This is an damaged battle damaged version model. They told us here. You see this. Already here we can see Iron Man 3 on 1:9 scale model kit. They are giving this whole kit to you guys. If you can buy this product, it's almost a 5-star rating product. 50% 5-star and 4% 50% 4-star. Almost very similar, and it's have a highly quality collectible display model, and highly detailed and accuracy dynamic process, and you see this is a very dynamic pose uh, that was looking very real life character. They designed like that. I can give almost 5-star rating to this product, already told you. And assemble with a glue and a paint is required, not included. Uh, they're not giving this glue and paint. You need to buy maybe they are not included in that pack. They doesn't give these products, glue and paint. You need to buy again this product. So, and the next product is Amazon's uh, dragon model Ant-Man 3. It's an you see, this is very nice premium look. You can see this is like an American uh, Captain America type. This is an Captain America model look, and we already seen this in Ant-Man 2. It's I never remember this name. Maybe if you know this character, please tell me in the comment section. I will read that comment definitely. If you see, this price was $75, and this is also similar qualities here. uh, we have dynamic pose here. These type of characters are very looking very nice, and star rating also very nice. You see here, as usual, 5 star and 4 star are same to same. It's a 50% and 50% here. Shipping, this is very nice. And the next character was, this is also an Iron Man, and it's it is an Iron Man 2 character as such, for MK6 and Hall of Armor set. You see, maybe this is not too much great, but looking wise, this was really premium and fresh product, fresh toy. Maybe we can attach here. These flux rockets are really nice. They're looking very new model. But in this image in dim mode, so I can't tell anything about this product. But we have flexible body structure here. You see, this is coming within this pack, in almost shoot room maybe. We can, this price is also very nice, and $106, and you also saving $13 here. It's this is also a 5 star rated product. 75% people are given 5 star rating to this amazing toy. It's a plastic model, and this is an Iron Man 2 product, and we seen that imported. This is an imported product. Product is a special item said that will not to available at Japan, and made for the US market. This is available in only US market only. Set includes interchanged hand parts L3 and R3, left into 3 and R into 3 into, that maybe legs rotation or something else. And hands also, uh, we can I mean we can move freely. We have some gears on between that hands and legs. Okay, this is also very nice. We seen already this product. And next item was, this was really boom, guys. You see, this is one of the Ultron Hulkbuster. In we seen in this suit in Age of Ultron movie, Avengers Age of Ultron movie. This is an Hulkbuster, Iron Man action hero. Vignette suit. We seen already this character in, I mean this suit. Hulk, fight between Hulk and Iron Man. Then Iron Man using this uh, Hulkbuster iron suit. We all know about this character. I mean this suit. This is available in Amazon.com. If you are interested to buy this product, this is very amazing. you are in right chance. This is the right chance to buy because we have a lot of price drop here. You can see Avengers and present price is $207, and this is a highly collectible display model and developed in 3D. This is developed in 3D using official data from Marvel, highly detailed and accurate. These details are very accurate and fully colored and textured to move likeness and minimal assembly, plug and display. You can display in your cardboard or any other thing. You can use. It's a rough and tough product maybe because you are spending a lot of money for this product. This is not an product, it's an icon of 5 to 15-year-old children's. You know one thing, I'm also very love person to this amazing Hulkbuster Ironman suit. So I want to buy. If you want to buy this product, please use below links, and definitely you will get some discount on these products. Uh, Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please tell me in the comment section. We are trying to give some answers in that comment section. Thank you. Take care, guys. Please subscribe to our channel.